Hello, it's Annelie. Today marks my first year on YouTube. Can you believe it? What a journey it has been. I honestly didn't think I would make it this far. Today I just want to thank each and every one of you guys, because you are the ones that kept me going and supported me and commented and gave me positive encouragement the whole time. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been this far. So I just want to say thank you very much. I painted this little heart for you, and every time I thought of giving up, your positive comments kept me going. So all I can say is thank you, and I'll see you again. Today I'm just gonna make a textured heart on top of this old board that I found lying here in my studio. I'm just gonna use some texture paste, a palette knife or two, and maybe the bamboo skewer. So I'm just gonna first do the texture paste, let it dry. You can use modeling paste, anything that builds texture, and then I'm gonna leave it to dry, and then I'll paint on top of that. So I'm just gonna make a heart. And then I'm going to put on the texture paste, so sit back and enjoy. Just clean your palette knives or whatever you use after you've used the modeling paste. Don't let it stay there, otherwise it can sometimes ruin your knife. So I'm going to leave this to dry. I'll come back and show you. Okay, the texture paste is dry now. So the colors that I'm going to use is my black, my red, Alizaron Crimson, or a dark red. You can either put a little bit of black with your red if you don't have that dark red. So only those two colors, or you can use a dark red like Alizaron Crimson. Then I'm going to use a little bit of white. I'm going to use a touch of gold, and I'm going to use a few jelly rolls, white and black, maybe gold, I'm not sure yet. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to paint my background, everything. I'm going to paint everything black. Then I'm just going to quickly let that dry, and then I'm going to start doing a white dry brush over this, and then I'm going to paint the heart. So yeah, you can just sit back and relax. Okay, now you can just leave to dry, and then I'm going to come back with my white. I've just put a little bit of paper tape here over this heart because I want to work quickly, as the acrylic dries very quickly. So I'm just going to use my brush. I'm going to take some white, and I'm just going to sort of dry brush over this whole area. When you dry brush, you can just use your brush flat like I use mine. So it just touches the surface of the board. Just gonna put a touch of gold here and there, not too much. because I'm going to use some gold in the heart. And then I'm going to use my bamboo skewer. I'm just going to scrape some texture in this wet paint to get to the black underneath. You can scrape in any design that you like. If it gets dry, that's when I'm going to use my jelly roll pens to put in some textures and stuff. Okay, I think that's enough for now. As you can see, I'm not planning anything. I'm just scraping and scratching and doing a lot of mark making. Okay, so this is how far I am now. So then you can take off your tape. And then you can start with your reds and stuff. I just want to clean my brush quickly because I want to use the same brush and I don't want white on it. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm going to take my dark red now. My light is coming from the right hand side, so I'm just going to put in a little bit of shadowy parts here and there. And then I'll start with my red. I'm going to take my red and I'm going to start highlighting some of the areas on the highlight side. I'm just working the cadmium red into the dark red a little bit here and there. Then I'm going to take it on my flat side and I'm going to touch lightly to leave the dark valleys underneath. Just highlighting the top. just going to take a little bit of my gold, just put it on randomly some of the places that I would like it to show. You can even leave this spot until it's dry. I think I will come back with the gold again. didn't use the jelly rolls a lot. I just put that white line a little bit, and I don't know if you can see, I just went over some of these dark areas with a jelly roll. But that's a quick and very easy, you can't mess it up tutorial this. So if you liked it, you can like and subscribe, and please hit that bell that you can get future uploads of my videos, and I will see you next time.